down.
Thank you.
Okay, now we are going to study set. Do you like set?
Yes!
Okay, who can define set in a full words? Who can try? Yes, there's
Science, elementary, and technology.
Okay, clap for him. Animals. Thank you so much. Can you clap for him? Okay, in science we learn animals. What else? Yes? People. Thank you so much. So now we are going to study about animals. Do you understand?
Yes!
We're going to study about animals. Okay. Who can define domestic animals? What are domestic animals? Yes?
Domestic animals are animals which live at home.
Can you clap for him? Domestic animals are animals which live at home. Give me an example of Now, what have you seen on your papers? Yes, girl. Giraffe? Have you seen a giraffe? Sure. Where is it? Show me. Where is the giraffe? Here. Thank you so much. Listen. Do you know Gaframa have seen giraffe? Yes, please. Kangaroo. Kangaroo is here. You see? Raise up your hand only. Okay. Snake? Have you seen a snake? It's here. Gorilla? Wait, have you seen a gorilla? Show me where is it. Thank you so much. Do you know Lucas have seen a gorilla? Look at here. Is this gorilla? Okay, look. Yes, Calvin? Monkey. Do you have monkey on your papers? Do you know monkey? Okay, who can show me monkey? Sit down. Where is monkey? Where? Where is monkey? Everybody touch your monkey, then I see. Wow, great job. The monkey is here. The monkey is here. Thank you so much. Raise up your hand on me. Okay, you. What are you looking on your paper? Elaine? What are you looking? Lion? Is there a lion on your papers? Where is it? It's here. Good job. Thank you so much. Show me lion. Show me lion. Wow, lion. So, give them to me. Or give them to me. Give them to me. Give me. Give me. So now, who can give me an example of a wild animal? Yes? Lion. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lorenzo. Lion. Elephant. Thank you. Who else? You? Example of wild animals? Who can help you? Yes, Lucas. Gorilla. Yes, Peppa. Is that true? Is a cow a wild animal? Who can help her? Yes, Leila. Snake. Good job. A snake. Thank you. Sit. Yes, Dorina. Zebra. Thank you so much. Think. I'll show you the paper. Yes, Lalen. Tiger. Thank you so much. Tiger. Okay. Teacher Miss, listen. Do you remember that song? Do you remember that song for animals? Of animals? Stand up. Are you tired? Stand up. Put your arms up, down. Okay, can you sing for me that song?
Zebra.
want to know which one? Yes, the farmer.
Monkey.
Monkey. Monkey is not here?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Thank you. Let's put it. Monkey. Monkey. Is there a monkey? Monkey.
Keep going.
Monkey also lives in the forest.
And
Papa can sit.
Papa.
Grandma sit.
Papa.
And kangaroo?
Yes.
Wow. Kangaroo. When you want to talk, you raise up your hand. Okay? Yes, friends, which is not here? Giraffe. Good job. Giraffe. Another one which is not here? Traffic? It's here. Lorenzo? Yeah. Fox. Good job. Another one? Yes? Hippo. And you can forgive. You see hippo on your papers? It's here. You see? It's here. Hippo, it's here. Okay, thank you so much. So now, who can remind me what are the wild animals? Who can tell me? What are wild animals? Yes, Trezor?
Wild animals are animals which live in the bush. Forest. In the
Which live?
In the forest.
Thank you so much. Another one? What are wild animals? Yes?
Wild animals are animals which live in the animals which live in the forest.
Which
Live
in the forest.
And the
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, friends. So now, who can give me an example of wild animals? Example. Yes, Blessing?
No.
Hey, do you know? Oh, thank you. Another one? Example of wild animals? Yes? Hippo. Thank you. Another one? Lion. Good job. Another one? Elephant. Thank you so much. Another one? Snake. Thank you so much. Tiger. Thank you. Giraffe. Thank you. Another one? Yes. Gorilla. Thank you. Monkey. Another one? Fox. Thank you. Another one? Tiger. Thank you. Another one? Lion. Thank you so much. Now, I'm going to give you your books. Then you write the notes in your books. Okay.